Mga sikat na artistang pumanaw na sa showbiz industry. Isa ka ba sa mga pinasaya nila? Ating alalahanin ang mga sikat na artistang sumakabilang buhay na. Dencio Padilla, died 1997. Age, 69 years old. Cause of death, cardiac arrest. Roldan Aquino, died 2014. Age, 71 years old. Cause of death, stroke. Bert Ing Labra, died 2009. Age, 75 years old. Cause of death, heart attack. Nida Blanca, died 2001. Age, 65 years old. Cause of death, murder. Belia Flores, died 2013. Age, 84 years old. Cause of death, surgery. Orestes Ojeda, died 2021. Age, 68 years old. Cause of death, pancreatic cancer. Glactia, died 2016. Age, 47 years old. Cause of death, asphyxia. Yoyoy Villame, died 2009. Age, 74 years old. Cause of death, cardiac arrest. Bernardo Bernardo, died 2018. Age, 73 years old. Cause of death, pancreatic cancer. Porky, died 2009. Age, 55 years old. Cause of death, cancer. Sammy Lagmay, died 2013. Age, 55 years old. Cause of death, diabetes complications. Ace Bergel, died 2007. Age, 55 years old. Cause of death, heart attack. Kachapoy, died 2008. Age, 76 years old. Carding Castro, died 2003. Age, 68 years old. Cause of death, heart complications. Wen Wen, died 1992. Age, 34 years old. Cause of death, heart attack. Jay Ilaga, died 1992. Age, 39 years old. Cause of death, motor accident. Richie D. Horsey, died 2005. Age, 57 years old. Cause of death, kidney complications. Chiquito, died 1996. Age, 65 years old. Cause of death, liver cancer. John Hernandez, died 1993. Age, 24 years old. Cause of death, car accident. Isabel Granada, died November 4, 2017. Age, 41 years old. Cause of death, brain hemorrhage and aneurysm. Susan Roses, died May 20th, 2022. Age, 80. Cause of death, heart attack. Rodolfo Vera Quezon Sr. o kilala sa pangalang Dolphy, died July 10, 2012. Age, 83 years old. Cause of death, pneumonia. Eddie Garcia, died June 20, 2019. Age, 70 years old. Cause of death, occupational injury. Fernando Fo Jr., died December 4, 2004. Age, 65 years old. Cause of death, stroke. Roddy Fernandez, Died June 7, 2008. Age, 56 years old. Cause of death, pancreatic cancer. Francis Magalona. Died March 6, 2009. Age, 44 years old. Cause of death, leukemia. German Moreno. Died January 8, 2016. Age, 82 years old. Cause of death, cardiac arrest. Redford White. Died July 25, 2011. Age, 54 years old. Cause of death, lung cancer. Halina Perez. Died March 4, 2004. Age, 21 years old. Cause of death, traffic collisions. Michael Soto. Died December 29, 2003. Age, 22 years old. Cause of death, fatal fall. Tado Jimenez. Died February 7, 2014. Age 39 years old. Cause of death, traffic collisions. Rodel Naval. Died June 11, 1995. Age 42 years old. Cause of death, AIDS complications. Rico Yan. Died March 29, 2002. Age 27 years old. Cause of death, acute pancreatitis. Chakalit. Died March 9, 2019. Age 48 years old. Cause of death, heart attack. AJ Perez. Died April 17, 2012. Age 18 years old. Cause of death, traffic collisions. Michael Balangkang. Died December 9, 2019. Age 41 years old. Cause of death, suicide. Paquito Diaz. Died March 3, 2011. Age 78 years old. Cause of death, stroke. Sobas Herrero. Died March 14, 2013. Age 69 years old. Cause of death, pulmonary embolism. Babalo. Died August 27, 1998. Age 56 years old. Cause of death, liver cancer. Rene Requites. Died July 24, 1993. Age 35 years old. Cause of death, tuberculosis. Dick Israel. Died October 11, 2016. Age 68 years old. Cause of death, cardiac arrest. Joy Video. Died September 10, 2016. Age 57 years old. Cause of death, heart attack. Mahal. Died August 21, 2021. Age 46 years old. Cause of death, COVID-19. Cherry Hill. Died August 5, 2022. Age 50 years old. Cause of death, brain cancer. Jacqueline Jose. Died March 2, 2024. Age 60 years old. Cause of death,